bishop who is heavily presented by our venerable, the preacher of today's sermon, the vicar and other clergymen of God that are here, the right honorable speaker of the state assembly, and your beautiful wife, your children, your father, and your mother-in-law, the deputy speaker and members of the state assembly that are here, our dear leaders, represented by Chief Federal Alabrama and Bruce Okucha, all of you that are here, our dear brothers, our dear youth, children of God, praise the Lord. Hallelujah. I'm happy I came on time and I listened to the preaching. Today we are here to thank God for what He has done in the life of Martin and his family. Martin symbolizes a man you can talk about integrity. Right from 1999, when I was chairman of council, there was a councilor. He had never wavered one day. He's a man you can go home and sleep with your 2 eyes closed. He's not a man you can buy with money. Some of us here, if we're privileged to be in the position he is today, you would have sold out. It is not easy for you to be a speaker and stand against the state government and you survive. It is not easy. Through his leadership, you can see his colleagues rally around him because they believe in him. If it's not a man who stepped forward, so many things would have happened. He's a very intelligent young man, very committed, and will tell you the simple truth. There is no assignment that you are giving to him. Even if I want it done within 24 hours, he will do it. Look at the array of people that have come here today. Men and women of character have come here today. So many people, when you are not in government, they change. Not only as politicians, even for church. The moment you are in position, they will pray for you every second. The moment you leave position, they sing a different song. Mr. Preacher, I hope when Martin leaves office, you will continue to pray for him. Now he's your son, he's a senior member, this and that. The position is occupied. When he leaves, continue to recognize him the way you have recognized him today. You know, I didn't want to say anything, but somebody called me last night and showed me what somebody said in the social media. I said, until I read it. This morning, I read it in Nation newspaper. I read it in the Independent. I read it in the Vanguard. What our former governor said, Sir Dr. Peter Odili, it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate This is somebody that's supposed to be an elder statesman. This is somebody you're supposed to call a father. What did he say? He said that governor, the present governor, has been able to stop one politician, one man, who wants to convert River State as his personal estate. All of you remember when I was governor, Odili praised me to high heavens. Are you not aware? Odili praised me to high heaven. In fact, he even said, no governor combined together has done what I did. Is it not correct? Is it not correct? Why? Let me tell you. In 2007, when he left power, he couldn't hear power because Amechi was the governor then. He was gone. He was gone. Like somebody said there, God will use somebody to bring us somebody. When I came in as governor in 2015, I will use the word resurrected, but I brought him back to life. You see, these are the things, when you hear people, and if you have children, and your children say that, I'm surprised you. It's not the man you are praising to high heaven every day. The man who has done what no governor could do. Is it the man now that you have changed to say this? Why? Because you are holding a Christmas ballot for a governor. I didn't say you should not host it. But you will reduce yourself to the level when people are watching television, we will show in a few days' time in form of documentary. How I'm the best in the country. How God had used me to bring him back to life. Ask Ambassador Akawo. He was ambassador in South Korea. Ask him. He came down, I was a minister. But for me, Papa Clinic was gone. Ambassador is there. Ambassador is there. But for me, he could not. Papa Clinic was gone. I have to rescue him out of it. All of us know about Papa University. All of us know about Papa University. But for us, there wouldn't have anything called Papa University. But for us, if River State government did not spend, I had to, in order to help for the university to be established, I have to enter an agreement that River State government will be training hundreds of our sons and daughters every section. Now, in every semester, each of them pay not less than 5 million. Now, calculate in one section how much. Then, for 7 years, most Rivers people were attacking me. Why are you using River State government money, putting in a personal university, this and that. It was me. He was living somewhere. Somewhere. You see, this is how people just, and you begin to ask, what can I learn now from such a person? What advice can he give me now? You say one thing here, the next hours you say a different thing. I have to personally call Jonas Berger to build a mansion for him. He called the whole Nigerians that they should go and thank Wike, that Wike has shown him love. See the mansion he has built for me and my wife. He was taking them around the building. Come and see. Come and see. Must you be a trader all the time? Must you be a trader all the time? As a former governor for 8 years, what are you looking for? Now, the governor all of us made, I just said 1 year in office. The same one has now gone to say he has beaten the record of all governors including himself. I mean, when I was there, I had beaten, including, anyway, what will he himself, what will you say he did in 8 years? What can we do? What can you really pinpoint hand or point at? A governor that has just stayed 1 year now, the same man has come that he has beaten the record of all the governors combined. 1 year in office. If you are 8 years in office, somebody comes in 1 year and beats your record, of course there was no record to it. Is that the kind of thing an elder statesman is supposed to be known for? Why not do your Christmas carol? Collect what you can collect. And leave me alone. I have never one day, I know what I've been doing, but I've kept quiet. He said personal estate. Who is not having the personal estate? His wife is chairman of government council. His daughter is commissioner. His other daughter is a judge. He now is the general overseer. So who is now taking the state as a private estate? I'm sure. If he has not taken, I'm sure. If there's any hope, he can even arrange a marriage for the governor. I can tell you that. Because I can't believe at this level a man can reduce himself. He has forgotten all he said. Where is the private estate? I named this after you. I named this after your wife. What have I not done? You said we should not be part of government. We have left. We have managed it. We have not cried. You have taken assembly money. They are not dying of hunger, and they will not die of hunger. We are okay. I'm focused in my job in Abuja. All this envy because they couldn't get to the level I am. Because what is all about? When I was plotting who will become governor, was he there? Even when this governor was brought, he was complaining to people. How can they go and bring somebody who cannot stand before the public to talk? Today, he's doing Christmas carol for you. Even when I was governor, he did for me. Just to stay, hang around power. Yeah, governor for 8 years, you are not satisfied. It is now you think that you'll be satisfied. In the 6 months of the illegal governor then, Omeha, ask Dr. Peter Odili, were they talking terms? Ask Dr. Peter Odili. 6 months. Here the mayor were not talking terms. I brought Omeha them, all of them, to his house for them to reconcile. If you don't know what to do, allow those who know what to do. Don't be a distraction. If I tell you how the daughter became a commissioner, you'll be shocked. You are here. I'm Muslim. It was his nephew, the senior brother's son, that was recommended to be that commissioner. You know what he had to do? Oh no, let's put our sister, your sister. That was my sister. He said, Ada, I was thinking of an elder statesman whom they have nominated your nephew, your senior brother's son. I thought you would have said, no, please. This is my nephew. It's my senior brother's son. My senior brother just died. So I'm their father now. He took it and gave to the daughter. So, you see, gentlemen, my dear brothers and sisters, like I said, I have no time to begin to solve it. But when a man has reduced himself to that level because he wants money, he will also tell the public who you are. And this is a man who said he wanted to run for president. He doesn't have the balls. He chickened down and ran away. Simply just said, no, you will not run. He ran away. This is ordinary party. He ran away. Because of him, I never invited a passenger to River State to a commission project. Because I felt it would be humiliating for him, knowing the relationship. When I was governor, my picture was everywhere in his house. Both bedroom, both kitchen, both dining. Even in the toilet, you see my picture. But today, go now, all the pictures have been So, they are the ones looking for my trouble. I have relaxed whatever I push him to go and say this. Well, whatever he sees, he should take it. So, Martin, continue to be steadfast, continue to show character. It pays. The pastor has said it here, ungratefulness is a bad thing. Ungratefulness. When you see people who are very ungrateful, you will see that they don't live a good life. They may pretend. They may pretend. Anybody who knows me knows my position. I don't need to say one thing that way and say another thing in the night. No. How will anybody now hear this? Of everything that you have said, you have turned around to say different. nnamdikanu, their daughter. But if it was another person that wrote the book, we have got the person here for lunch. That is your own is your own daughter now. You see, everybody takes advantage. Tomorrow now, you say you are a politician. This one you did here as what? So it is only when we are involved, you say, oh, we shouldn't do that. Well, there's nothing we can do. Even though Martin said we're on him, he can't carry all of us here. So I will not allow him to carry all of us. Yes. You know what the church, what they do? When I saw the program, simply because they know that people will come, they went and put everything. Support. Where will the money come from? You people do things. Look at the list. Tithe, vow, this one, support, welfare, all this. So when I went there, all those ones he said, put one back. I didn't do that. I don't put, God knows I've done my best. I'm not going to listen to that one. You know. So for your daughter, you have shown education is key. When a child has made effort, look at her age, 11, 12, and see what she has put down. It is not easy to sit down and write, not to talk about publish. It's not easy. So all of us who came here will support your daughter with the sum of 10 million naira. And we're also going to support Martin and supporting the church. So Martin has supported you, the church, with 10 million. All of us here will add 10 million naira to support. All these things, I know you pray heavily today. The next time, it will be a different thing. The church, if you want to involve yourself in politics, come on. Listen. Ask us, what do you think? I don't know where you're talking. Those of you in that terrain, what is happening? Advise us. Don't go with sentiment. Don't go with propaganda, blackmail. We are the ones who know. We know ourselves. We don't know them. When the presidential thing came, all of you were angry. They even vote Muslim. If you didn't ask us question. But a Christian today is Minister of FCT. No Christian can be a minister, full minister. So it is not about religion, it is about the person. So this is our terrain. Call us before you take decision. Don't come to church and tell the choir, hello, who cannot vote this or that. It doesn't work. You can have a Christian, nothing will happen. So don't bring religion to it. Look at me today. Who would ever believe that I will be the LCT minister? It was a big battle, but the president put his feet down and said, no, this is the person I want there. So you can see now, it's not a Christian. So it is important for all of us to know that what we're interested in leadership that will help Nigeria, to move Nigeria to where we say we are comfortable, not where you worship. It's not where you worship. So I thank you, and I believe that more good things will come to our way. This road you are talking about, I don't want to talk about this road. Like Martin said, we forget easily. When he says Elos, it's not Elos. From beginning down to Elingu. But when you see some of your children, they assume as if I never did anything. As I stand there, without having paper, I can tell you every project in every local government, in every community. As I stand there, I don't need a paper. See what I did for Atadi. Elohani. Where? Rumahalo had no road before. Nobody could go to Rumahalo. We have all forgotten what this is. I thank God they are painting the flyover. "12 flyovers. 12. Some people were here for 8 years. It didn't do. Thank you, God bless you.